tenant states, my outside dryer vent came off. These outer vents actually serve a very important role. Those little flaps, those little doors that are opening and closing, that keeps cold air from entering the house, along with keeps insects, birds, other things from making nests inside that pipe. So it's super important to check these once in a while. They can collect quite a bit of lint and can start blocking the airflow from your dryer, causing it to take longer and longer for your clothes to dry. Get it tested out, and seems to be working great.